Hi Micky, how are you?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Good, thank you. How do you rate the start of the season? You looked very good, but the points were less than you deserved.
Yeah, I think it was a tough start of the season. Yeah, I think our position play and the way how we play football is really good. We create a lot of chances also, but yeah, we didn't make our goals, and at the end I don't think we have the points we deserve.
You were the closest to Mbeumo's goal on Saturday. You probably didn't think it was as nice as we did.
No. I saw it back a couple of times because of course we have to watch it back with the defensive line also. And yeah, unbelievable finish. Yeah, can't say more. Maybe I can be a bit closer to him and make it more difficult, but the finish was unbelievable.
You are one of the fastest players in the league. Do you have any data on how far you run per 100 meters?
I just got this question. I don't know. I literally don't know. I have to ask someone, but I really don't know.
Also, because of your speed, do you think it suits you to play in such a high defense line?
Yeah, I like to play in a high defensive line because yeah, with my speed I can recover a lot of space, and yeah, for me this system fits really well, I think.
But it wasn't always like this. Your beginnings were as a striker. When did you change the position?
Oh, I think when I was 12 years old, I started to change because I was growing really fast and I was getting really tall and I was getting slow, and that was the point that I was like, maybe it's time to become a defender or something. So I swapped back to defender. No, I was not 12, I think I was 15. And then yeah, it went really well in this position and kept going.
What is Postecoglou trying to achieve by setting the defensive line so high?
I think it's his style of play. He really likes to play aggressive football, like high pressure. And I think you also need a high line as defenders to play high pressure, because if the defenders stay too low, you can't really press because yeah, the distance will be too big and the space will be too big. So I think you really need also a high defensive line to play this aggressive football.
Which trophy would mean the most to you this season? Europa League, FA Cup, Carabao Cup?
I think all of them. We just want to win all of them. Yeah. It's like every league we're in, you can win a prize. Every tournament we're in, you can win a prize. So I think we have to take every tournament really serious and yeah, get as far as possible.
Your next opponent, Manchester United, is long past its glory days. Are Tottenham already in a situation where we can say that you are the favorite against Manchester United at Old Trafford?
We play on Thursday, of course, first against Karabakh, so that's the first game for us now. But yeah, on Sunday, yeah, I think Manchester United is a big team. It's an unbelievable club. It's maybe one of the biggest clubs in the world, also. But yeah, we have to see what's going to happen. For us, it's the most important to just play our football over there and get the 3 points.
Micky, thank you very much and all the best against Manchester United.
Thank you.